What if your development stack is actively sabotaging your velocity? So Microsoft just dropped Visual Studio 2026 with .NET 10. And here's a little secret for you. All the startups out there think that it means it has to be run on Windows, but you're missing it. Here's the wild part. They've solved problems that have been killing startup productivity for decades. 50% reduction in IDE freezes, file-based apps that run without projects, 3 years of guaranteed support on an LTS release, and scalable, fast apps that run on, yes, any platform, not just Windows. So today I'm going to break down some of the big features that come with the new release of Visual Studio 2026, .NET 10, and what makes this the ultimate startup stack, and why here at Startup Hack we use this to build for companies who want to be serious about scaling some smart software, and why smart founders are already making the switch. So let's jump into this today. All right, the startup world just got a massive productivity upgrade. Visual Studio 2026 and .NET 10 aren't just incremental updates, nor are these just for enterprise. Guys, these are for startups. I've been using these for startups for decades. They're fundamentally redesigned for how modern teams actually build software. We're already building platforms on these, and I've been doing it for over 2 decades. The difference is night and day. So for a long time, for the first decade, that only ran on Windows. And then the second decade of things got awesome. We got .NET Core, right? And we've had .NET Core now for over a decade, and it is amazing. It runs so fast on Linux. I haven't hosted anything on .NET other than on Linux for over a decade now. So let me switch over here, and we're going to dive into some of this announcement, right? So Visual Studio 2026 is here, faster, smarter, and hit with early adopters, right? So I'm going to talk about the solution load times here, dramatically down from 14.7 to 8.3 seconds. UI thread blocking during solution load from 7.8 to 3 seconds. It means you click it, the thing's practically open by the time you can blink. So the next part is they have a debugger agent that runs for unit tests. This is a great use case of actual AI AI agents, right? AI agents to go shopping for you and buy $1,000 plane tickets. Nah, I'm a long ways from trusting that. To write the unit tests that nobody wants to write, now that's a totally different story, and I'm all on board and totally all ears. So, this is some pretty cool stuff, and we're going to keep going here, right? So, feedback tickets that they've fixed over the last 12 months, which is pretty awesome. So Microsoft is still actively working on this. If you think this is just for corporate and enterprise, majority of the people using Visual Studios are running on the Community Edition. If you like this clip, make sure you check out the full Startup Hack live video here because we've got lots more for you today.